Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Do you love sweet treats? Today we are going to learn 100 desserts and sweet foods in English with picture. From cakes, cookies, chocolates and ice cream to traditional sweet and tasty desserts. You will discover many delicious words. Look at each picture, listen carefully and repeat each word after me. Let's start our sweet learning adventure. Set 1. Popular desserts. Cake, cake. Cupcake, cupcake. Donut, donut. Muffin, muffin. Brownie, brownie. Cookie, cookie. Biscuit, biscuit. Pie, pie. Tart, tart. Cheesecake, cheesecake. Pancake, pancake. Waffle, waffle. Crepe, crepe. Pudding, pudding. Custard, custard. Jelly, jelly. Mousse, mousse. Trifle, trifle. Souffle, souffle. Churro, churro. Set 2. Ice cream and frozen treats. Ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream cone, ice cream cone. Ice cream cup, ice cream cup. Popsicle, popsicle. Ice pop, ice pop. Sundae, sundae. Milkshake, milkshake. Smoothie, smoothie. Frozen yogurt, frozen yogurt. Gelato, gelato. Kulfi, kulfi. Ice candy, ice candy. Snow cone, snow cone. Slush, slush. Chocolate ice cream, chocolate ice cream. Vanilla ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Strawberry ice cream, strawberry ice cream. Mango ice cream, mango ice cream. Mint ice cream, mint ice cream. Sorbet, sorbet. Set 3. Chocolates and candies. Chocolate, chocolate. Candy, candy. Lollipop, lollipop. Toffee, toffee. Caramel, caramel. Fudge, fudge. Marshmallow, marshmallow. Gummy bear, gummy bear. Jelly bean. Mint candy, hard candy, cotton candy, chocolate bar, chocolate truffle, white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, peanut brittle, nougat, candy can. Set 4 traditional and sweet dishes. Gulab Jamun, Rasmalai, Jalebi, Laddu, Barfi, Kheer, Halwa, Sandesh, Peda, Modak, Son Papdi, Malpua, Payasam, Firni, rice pudding, sweet rice, fruit custard, bread pudding, rice cake. Set 5 sweet fruits and bakery treats. Apple pie, banana bread, fruit cake, cinnamon roll, Danish pastry, croissant, macaron, eclair, fruit tart, Swiss roll, banana split, chocolate syrup, honey, jam, fruit salad, whipped cream, sprinkles, cherry, berries, dried fruits. Wonderful job, friends! Today you learned 100 desserts and sweet foods in English with picture. Keep practicing these delicious words to grow your English vocabulary every day. Watch the next video in our 100 vocabulary word series for more fun learning with pictures. Please like, share and subscribe to more fun learning video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning adventure. Till then, bye.